In this demo, I'm going to show you how Luna Live can actually do a screen share and help you with complicated websites and filling out online forms. So we're at the app right now on Iowa Senior Tech Help's website. We'll click Start.
Hi, I'm Luna. I am your virtual tech companion at Iowa Senior Tech Help. You can talk to me hands-free. What can I do for you today?
Hi, Luna. I would like to do a demo and show people how you can do a screen share. And I'm going to show you a page that I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I want you to explain to me what you're looking at.
That sounds great. Screen share is perfect for things like this. I can definitely explain what I'm seeing. Whenever you're ready, just start the screen share.
Okay, I went ahead and started the screen share, and if you could just tell me where I'm at.
Let's see here. You are on the official Medicare.gov website. Specifically, you're on the Get Started with Medicare page. It explains how Medicare works and gives you options for navigating the process. I see sections for getting Social Security benefits before and after age 65, and a guide for finding the right path. Is there something specific you wanted to do on this page?
Well, I'm 66 years old, and I have no idea where to begin. Where would I begin on this page?
Ah, I see. Since you're 66, the best place to start would be the middle section. It's called Getting Social Security Benefits After 65. You can tap the blue Get My Medicare Steps button right below it. Does that make sense for you?
Absolutely. Okay, so now I'm on this next page, and it looks like there's a few steps. Can you kind of walk me through this?
Certainly. This page breaks things down very nicely. Step 1. Get answers. This section helps you understand the basics, like the different parts of Medicare, how it works, and when to sign up. 2. Preview your coverage options. Here, you can learn about things like Original Medicare and Medicare Advantage to see what might be best for your situation. Which part would you like to explore first?
I rolled this page down a little bit so you can see there's more steps.
I see that. Scrolling down reveals the next two steps. Step 3. Sign up for Part A and Part B. This is where you'll find crucial information about deadlines and when your coverage begins. 4. Choose your coverage. This step compares the different plans, so you can decide what best suits you. It seems like the site is guiding you in a logical order. Are you interested in looking at a specific step?
Yeah, I guess where should I begin?
I can completely understand that. It can feel overwhelming. Let's start from the very beginning then. On this page, look for Step 1, Get Answers. This section is perfect for learning what's most important to know, including what are the parts of Medicare and how does Medicare work. It's a great place to build a foundation. How do you
Sure.
feel about starting there?
Sure, I'll click the let's see, what are the parts of Medicare?
Perfect! That is a great place to start. This page will break down the different parts for you. It helps you understand the building blocks of your Medicare coverage. What part jumps out at you when you see it?
All right, can you walk me through this and kind of help me understand what I'm looking at?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to. This page breaks down the core parts of Medicare. Part A is hospital insurance. It helps cover things like inpatient care and skilled nursing facilities. Part B is medical insurance, which covers doctor's visits, outpatient care, and preventative services. Part D is drug coverage and helps pay for prescriptions. You also have Medicare supplemental insurance, or Medigap, which covers some of the costs that Medicare doesn't. Does that give you a clearer picture?
Yeah, can you explain exactly what I see here, this Medicare Advantage, which is also known as Part C? What exactly is that? Can you kind of put that in more simple terms for me?
Certainly. Think of Medicare Advantage, or Part C, as an all-in-one option. It's a type of plan offered by private companies that combines Part A and Part B, and usually Part D too. These bundled plans can also sometimes include extra benefits. Does that make Part C a little clearer?
Yeah, what would be the advantage of? I mean, am I losing out on something? Would there be an advantage to go with Part C?
That's a great question. The main advantage is the convenience of having everything in one plan, like medical and drug coverage combined. Also, as you can see on the screen, these plans can sometimes offer extra benefits that original Medicare doesn't. It really depends on what features are most important to you.